In this tutorial I will demonstrate how to test to see if your output is working. In this particular tutorial, this is for logic output. Okay, so the first thing we require to do is to ensure that you switch off the instrument and remove the connections from the back of your instrument. In this particular case, we have a logic output on 1A and 1B. When you've done that, connect your DMM or digital voltmeter like I have here across 1A and 1B. Then back to the instrument, you are required to replace the unit into manual mode. To do this, press the up and down arrow keys together. Observe Auto-M. Now select Man with one of the arrow keys. This will now give you the output percentage at the bottom. In this particular case, this is now reading 100%. For logic output, that is approximately 12 volts out. So you can see on the display here, we have 12 volts. Using the down arrow key, you can select 0%. Once we're at 0% and it's entered, the logic output should reduce to 0. So the logic output has now collapsed and gone to 0.2 of a volt, which means that this particular output is functioning correctly. To return back to your auto selection, press the two arrow keys together and reselect auto for normal operation.